Using your chainsaw with a dull chain leads to higher fuel consumption, excessive wear, and an increased risk of binding and other dangerous situations. Luckily, you can easily avoid any problems by sharpening your chains regularly and correctly. If you don't want to spend a long time sharpening each cutter manually or fiddling around trying to fit a power drill into a lesser gadget, then the electric Bench-Top Chainsaw Sharpener from ToolPRO is just what you need. The unit is fully self-contained and runs off your home 240 volts main power. With its 100mm grinding wheel spinning at 7500 RPM, this unit can happily handle practically any standard chain size. Using the sharpener is simple thanks to the adjustable rotary table, which can be easily set to the correct angle to suit your cutting links, as well as the chain carrier that is fully depth and distance adjustable and features reliable locking screws. The large handle lets you carefully guide the grinding wheel into place and effortlessly sharpen the cutting surface of your chain. Repeat the process for every second cutting blade before setting the rotary table to the opposite side for the rest of the alternate links, quickly and easily thanks to the angle markings around the base of the rotary table. Just be sure to follow your chain manufacturer's recommendations for depth limit, cutting tool size, and blade angle to set your chain up perfectly before you use it. With the ToolPRO Bench-Top Chainsaw Sharpener, a little practice and the right setup, you can reliably add the perfect edge to your cutting blades and make any chainsawing you need to do an absolute breeze.